Why do you not worship idols?
Just a second. Can I just take 15 second? I am showing you an image. I have your picture on my phone right now.
Okay.
Whose picture do I have on my phone right now?
My.
Adil's picture on my phone right now.
Yes.
So I'm going to first show this picture on camera,
Okay.
and then I'm going to show the picture to you.
Okay.
So this is Adil. This is Adil Ahmed. That's you, Adil? Is that you?
No, that's not me.
Do you feel happy at looking at this picture, or do you feel humiliated? Do you feel offended?
Well, I felt offended because, of course, that is not me. That's
course.
why I felt offended.
That's
not
my
me.
answer. How do you know the idol that you're worshipping, God looks like that? How do you know it? अगर आप एक अदना दर्जे के इंसान, just an ordinary man, gets offended when I show you somebody else's picture and say this is you,
Wow.
do you think the creator who created you and me does not get offended when you stand in front of the idol who does not look like the creator?